Thank you so much for inviting me here today. मुझे बहुत बहुत खुशी है. I think it's a great honor to be here at this moment. Not only am I a big fan of our Prime Minister, like we all are, Mr. Narendra Modi, I am also an admirer of his fitness, as Mr. Surya mentioned. और fitness का मतलब यही होता है कि in the midst of all the pressure जो हमारे लाइफ में आता है, जो हमारी ज़िंदगी में होती है, लाइफ प्रेशर होते हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, काम करते रहना जो आवश्यक है, जो इम्पोर्टेंट है. If you are able to do what you need to do, what you are meant to do, that is a measure of fitness. सिर्फ बाइसेप्स बनाना या सिक्स पैक्स बनाना, इस पे फिटनेस निर्भर नहीं होता. If you are able to do what you are meant to do in all situations, that is a measure of fitness. So I'm a big admirer of our Prime Minister, and I think it's an amazing birthday gift to him that has been thought of, initiated. Amazing to think of कि 10 लाख लोग दौड़ेंगे, सिर्फ पार्टी नहीं करेंगे जन्मदिन पे, दौड़ेंगे, एक इंस्पिरेशन बनेंगे. हर आदमी जो दौड़ेगा या औरत जो दौड़ेगी, they will become an inspiration to another 10,000 people. So I think it's a fantastic idea, it's a great idea, and I think कि सिर्फ भारत में ही नहीं लेकिन पूरी दुनिया में शायद ऐसा रन हुआ नहीं है at this kind of a scale. So very ambitious, and I'm sure जो भी team है and all of you are going to get together to make this successful. ये तो successful होगा ही 21 सितंबर को, and I think this is also going to be a great first step कि ऐसे events हमें अक्सर करते रहना चाहिए, because just doing it once is not enough. Consistency is the key to any good change. कि एक बार अगर कोई अच्छा काम हो, लोग भूल जाते हैं, तो हर महीने में, or at least every quarter, every 6 months, there should be initiatives like this that happen. And of course the theme is so important. सिर्फ fitness के बारे में नहीं, सिर्फ health के बारे में नहीं, but as Mr. Surya mentioned, it is a challenge that confronts our country on many levels, and that is drugs. And we have been fighting drugs, our country has been fighting drugs for many, many years. Not only our country, every country in the world is united in this fight against drugs. So we have to, again, consistency is required even here. That the message that we must stay away from drugs has to be given every day. And not only by the government, by parents, by friends, by associates. Anybody who sees a friend of theirs who is coming under the influence of drugs must report it, must make it public. क्योंकि कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है जब नशा होता है, that we don't think that it's a bad thing. We think it's a good thing. So if the people have friends, they have to come forward, families have to come forward and make it known that this person is a victim so that they can be helped. And of course then where they are getting the drugs from can be investigated, and that can be stopped. Because there are many levels again in how drugs are coming into the country, who is distributing the drugs in the country, how the youth is getting attracted to those drugs. In every element of this chain, there has to be attention given. So the message, I think, is very, very, very important. Health se pehle bhi, fitness se pehle bhi, this message needs to be given, because this, as we mentioned, is the youth of the country, it's the future of the country. And we don't want to compromise on the future of the country with something like drugs, and something that we need to fight against every day. So again, congratulations to the team for the initiative. Birthday wishes to the Prime Minister in advance, because I'm not going to be there on 17th. And again, thank you very, very much. इस honor के लिए, इस privilege के लिए मुझे यहाँ बुलाया है. I think it's a great honor for me to be the ambassador of this run. And I'm sure all of you will participate, all your friends, your families, from wherever you have come from in the country, and make this run a huge success. Jai Hind.